Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw money from Cryptomania. First of all, navigate to the withdraw section. This is actually found within your account settings or dashboard, and then you just need to select your preferred withdrawal method. You just need to choose the option that suits you best, considering fees and processing time as well. The next step is you have to enter the withdrawal details. Depending on the method, you will need to provide the recipient wallet address, bank information, or details required by the third party service. The fourth method is you just need to specify the amount. Double check the amount you wish to withdraw and ensure it's within your available balance. At the end, you just need to review and confirm. Carefully review all the withdrawal details before confirming the transaction. So that's the process of how you can withdraw money from Cryptomania.